welcome to the second video of this series. In this video we are going to install the required software. So first of all we are going to do setup for the things. So first of all you need to download the XAMPP server from any of this, like if you have Windows, so you can download for Windows. If you have Linux, so download the Linux. If you have Mac OS, then download the OS X. I don't know why they are saying OS X. It is Mac. Okay, it is the similar name, or maybe I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So now let's go to the download. Okay, download, and here we have the XAMPP. Now for Mac OS users, Ubuntu is easy. You can directly run the .run file in the Ubuntu using the chmod plus x or something. Yeah, so for Mac user there is a catch. You can't directly install this one because Mac will say it has the malware, because Mac is used for security. Now one catch is there. If you go to your privacy and security, then at the end of the bottom of the there they are saying okay, open anyway. Here you can need to click here. So you click here and then you need to go here and click on open anyway. So it will open the second installer, open anyway. Now you need to press the password or fingerprint. Now one more time enter the things. It is secure, triple time secures. So this will open anywhere in time. Yeah, so now it is opening. Okay, cool. Now we are saying next. Okay, so this is the XAMPP server. One more thing what you need to install is VS Code. So VS Code. Okay, my net is little bit throttling. So VS Code you can install for, currently my one is Mac, so it is showing Mac OS, but you can go to download and you can choose. If you are not, there's not showing your platform, then you can go to download and you can choose your OS. So available for Windows, Mac and Linux, 3 of them. So now this is the installation part. In the next part we are starting the syntax. Thank you very much.